In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails in Outlook, also known as Hotmail, in just a few quick steps. Whether you're trying to clear clutter or just starting fresh, the process is straightforward and can be done in a few minutes. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to navigate to the Outlook login page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the web address for Microsoft 365 Outlook. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click that. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your Outlook homepage. This is your dashboard where you'll manage all your emails and communication. Now the next step is to go to your inbox, which is readily accessible from this homepage. Click on the inbox to open it up. With your inbox open, you can now see a list of all your emails. This is the main area where all of your emails are stored. To delete all these emails at once, you don't have to go through them individually. Instead, you can use a handy feature provided by Outlook. Look at the top of your inbox and you'll find a little checkbox. Clicking this checkbox will select all emails currently displayed in your inbox. If you've got a lot of emails and they don't all fit on one page, you might want to double check to make sure that you are selecting everything. You might get a prompt asking if you want to select everything in your inbox instead of just the ones on the first page. Once all your emails are selected, look for the delete button. This is usually found at the top of your emails and might look like a small trash can icon. Click on this button and you'll receive a notification asking you to confirm that you'd like to delete all selected emails. It's important to pause here and make sure that you are ready to part with these emails permanently. If you want to save any important messages, now's your opportunity to deselect them or move them to a different folder. After confirming, all selected emails will be removed from your inbox and sent to the deleted items folder. To completely remove these, navigate over to your deleted items folder and, similar to before, select them all and hit delete once more. This action ensures those emails are permanently deleted and free up space. And that's it, you've now successfully deleted all your emails on Outlook. This process is simple, efficient, and can really help in organizing your inbox swiftly. I hope this guide was helpful and makes managing your emails a breeze. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.